Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find the best file recovery tool between Disk Drill versus Recuva in 2025. If you're looking for the best file recovery tool in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Recuva works by first scanning the MFT, master file table, which contains information about all files, including those that have been deleted but not yet overwritten. Then, it'll find files marked as deleted but still physically present on the drive, and finally, you can then recover them, as long as they haven't been overwritten by new data. The various Recuva features and its simple and intuitive interface make it an excellent tool for busy professionals who know what they're doing with tech or more inexperienced users who need something simple. While Disk Drill scans your storage devices for lost or deleted data, then it allows you to preview the files. Finally, you can recover them. What are the cool Disk Drill features to know? One of them is the ability to choose between a quick scan for recovery or a deep scan, which is handy if you know or suspect that your file system has become corrupted. Recuva is simple interface for quick file recovery. It secures file deletion for permanent erasure, deep scan for damaged or formatted drives, and a portable version for on-the-go recovery. While Disk Drill is about advanced file recovery algorithms, SMART disk health monitoring, preview recoverable files before restoring, data protection tools like Recovery Vault, supports external devices like USBs and memory cards. Recuva offers a free version with unlimited data recovery, which is ideal for basic tasks and easy to use. There's also a professional version priced at $24.95 per year, which includes additional features like virtual hard drive support, automatic updates, the ability to create disk image files for recovery, and premium customer support. Disk Drill Pro version costs $89. Plus, you can purchase lifetime upgrades $4.19. Recuva benefits from having a simple step-by-step recovery wizard, which makes file recovery simple and intuitive if you've never used this kind of software before. However, Disk Drill is perhaps the more advanced of the two platforms. It can support Windows, Mac, and Linux. Various other tools are available, such as the ability to get rid of duplicated files and run constant system checks in the background. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.